In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join GoHighLevel affiliate program. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to complete the sign up smoothly, whether you prefer using Google or filling out the form manually. Start by opening your browser and heading to gohighlevel.com/join affiliate. This is the official landing page for the program. On that page, look for the button that says Join the Affiliate Program and click it. You'll be redirected to the affiliate portal where you can begin creating your account. Here you'll see two options. The fastest route is Continue with Google. Click that if you want to use your Google account. Pick the Google account you want to associate with your affiliate profile and follow the prompts. This option can autofill your details and get you into the portal quickly. You may still be asked to confirm a few preferences and accept the terms before finishing. If you prefer the manual route, scroll to the form and start entering your details. Type your first name and last name exactly as you'd like them to appear on your affiliate profile. Add your email address. Using a business email can make tracking and communication easier. Create a strong password that you can remember. Use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols for added security. Next, choose your country from the drop-down and enter your phone number, including the correct country code. Add your company name if you have one. If it's optional and you don't have a company, you can leave it blank. You'll also see a question asking which description best fits you. Select the option that matches your role or business model so the program can tailor communications to you. Then choose your preferred language and set your time zone. Getting these right helps ensure you receive notifications at times that make sense for you. Before you proceed, check the box to agree to receive email and phone notifications. These include important updates like when you earn a commission. Then check the box to agree to the affiliate terms and conditions. It's a good idea to skim the terms so you understand promotional guidelines and payout details. When everything looks good, click Sign Up. If at any point you decide you'd rather streamline the process, you can switch to Continue with Google, select your account, and proceed from there. That's it. You've joined the GoHighLevel affiliate program. Keep your login details secure and you'll be ready to access your affiliate dashboard, grab your links, and start promoting. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.